A timely investment in knowledge yields high returns in today's technology-driven world. This concept applies to all industry segments including the service sector and manufacturing sector. The biggest demand for new skills comes from the new cutting-edge areas: artificial intelligence, big data analytics, Internet of Things, blockchain, cybersecurity, cloud computing, robotics, augmented and virtual reality, quantum computing and 3D printing. The demand is rising exponentially in these areas, but the supply is not. Future Connect bridges the gap by offering an innovative platform for seamless and focused skill building. Future Connect offers corporates and industries unique employee retention solution and skill building platform. We provide a software as a service-based, flexible upskilling, cross-skilling platform. Our learning management system is perfectly designed to guide you in your digital transformation journey. It has all the components that are necessary to equip you with the knowledge tools needed for a professional in Industry 4.0. This solution got the latest digital features to offer a rich and effective learning experience to participants. It is a self-sustained platform with multiple contents to suit your unique learning need, like videos, presentations, theoretical content with lifetime access. So, we provide a state-of-the-art laboratory to get hands-on practice sessions in the respective technologies. You will not be required to install any additional software. Our LMS is user-friendly. You can track your status of completion for self-assessment. Our LMS is scalable, and corporates can leverage it to train their employees in 3 competency levels: foundation, intermediate and expert levels. It is a dynamic platform for professionals who are looking to cross-skill and upskill themselves, and also companies looking to impart Industry 4.0 skills. Various faculty engagement modes like face-to-face, instructor-led online, and recorded sessions are available as part of this overall solution. Let us look into the demo of our learning